Public service announcement from the CDC.
Oh, this is a video. Whoops.
Yeah. What
I
did
thought
you,
we were posing
Yeah,
for a
yeah.
picture.
He just,
My
nothing.
My bad.
He just walks
So,
up and he's
folks,
like, "Let's go."
We are here at the Crispy Donut Community booth. We always have the most fun at this booth, and that's why we love coming here. Guys, I knew coming into this last day, I was dragging, I was losing energy, and that's why I saved you guys for today, because I knew you guys were going to pick me up. And you literally tried to pick me up.
That's what happens when
So-
you stay out till
And
4 in the morning. You know.
Yeah, I like that. That
Not
helped.
sponsored. Not sponsored.
Hit us up. Hit us up for a sponsor though.
Yeah, exactly. If you want to sponsor us, do it. So guys, what have we got going on? What's new and upcoming? I'll move this out of your way. So.
New and upcoming, like the new that's not
Yeah.
announced yet.
Yeah, that's what I want to see.
Like
Oh, look at that.
So that's coming soon to Smoky Mountain Knife Works.
I've already got one. It's in my bag.
You want to see what's like this month?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Show me.
the 20th.
Oh my goodness, that is absolutely beautiful. Just tings.
Both options. Got a black wash, got the satin.
Oh, I
The
love
20th
that
at
button
5
lock right
p.m.
there. That
These
is
will be dropped
fantastic.
as a pre-order.
The 20th of June, 5 p.m.
Yep.
That's when you get your shot at these, all right?
There's not very many of them either. They're gonna go quick.
What else?
Oh. I didn't see that one coming. I didn't see that. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful.
But
So,
there's more.
you guys are
Hold on.
doing some
I've
really
gotta
cool
speak
stuff
on
with
this.
Kaiser.
I've got to speak on that Kaiser right there, man.
Okay?
So everyone knows I fangirl a little bit over McNeese and their American-made knives. The action on this feels superb and reminds me a little bit of that because it's so snappy.
I mean, the satisfying click when it gets into the lockup,
Yeah.
it's,
For
what's
the-
the price on this one?
For the price point on this, you can't beat it for that action. Drew, do we know what we're pricing these at?
The Talters, I
Yeah.
believe it's 70.
I think. Don't quote me.
154 cm, ball bearing pivots, G10 scales, crispy donutized. That is amazing. I love this.
Yeah.
You guys are killing it.
You haven't even seen half of these, have you?
No.
No.
Nobody has.
Oh. The smolt. They did it. 3V on the blade steel. What's this one going to run?
I don't know.
Yeah, we have to look at the sheets. I mean, these are so new
It's
to
been a
us
long weekend.
that we haven't
Been a long
finalized
weekend.
pricing yet.
That's
If you
Good
add
one.
3 zeros, sure.
I'll tell you mine.
I'll tell you mine.
That is
Daddy needs a
awesome.
new car.
Oh, what is this?
The Trevisa Columba. 14C, black wash, G10. Early prototype. We're going to make a couple changes to that. But coming soon.
I like the skinny sprinkles too.
Yeah.
That works.
Yeah.
That is fantastic. And that action, again,
Yeah.
phenomenal.
That's what happens when you use our pivot loop. You know what I'm saying? That's this right here. When it smells like donuts, and it's just you can't beat it.
It's heaven. That's heaven right there. That's just a little slice of heaven.
These are already live
Yes, they are.
And almost gone.
Oh man.
And this is the first time CJRB has done the reverse Tonto Hector. Like, they haven't released the reverse Tonto Hector.
That is beautiful. And already got the beads on them, of course. The donut beads.
The personal prototypes, yes.
That is awesome. And these are live now.
Yep.
You guys are killing it. And of course,
The Andrew Dimpro design of
Solstice.
Stay tuned for Smoky Mountain Fall Festival.
Yep, because we're going to have an exclusive.
That's all I'm saying.
Oh, we've already talked about it.
Yeah.
Oh, you've announced it?
Yeah.
Already?
Well, not like formally announced it, but
I got you.
we've
I
told
got
them
you.
that it's coming.
It's a formal announcement.
For Smoky Mountain Knife Works.
Solstice exclusive. Not this color.
No.
Not this color.
No, we
It's
may
going to
have
be
a
an
couple
exclusive
there.
color. But
Maybe, but
might have a
a
couple
different-
That's on that harpoon blade, maybe?
oh yeah.
Is that what we're talking? Harpoon and maybe a warning?
Yes, everybody loves the harpoon, and that's just and the horny. Me so horny.
Yeah, I mean
So
the warning, and everybody loves a good poon. You know,
Yep.
it's great.
I love this, guys. Y'all are absolutely killing it. Thank you so much. And what's your website? Where do people need to go? We got to direct them.
Was it donutknife.com?
Donutknife.com.
Is that it?
I
Donutknife.com.
If you see
It's donut knife.
if you see it on a car, that's what it is.
Yeah, donutknife.com. But wait, there's more. Have you seen those infomercials? You know, the old school ones?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait, there's more.
Yeah.
I'm just going to show this part right here. That's something that has not been announced yet. Oh. That may or may not be happening. Who knows?
S90V.
Just a matter of who, what, when, where, why.
Oh,
Yeah.
that action is unbelievable.
Yeah.
Full tie. Full tie.
That's not it.
S90V. Hey, look, the Fuller will even open it.
Oh yeah, it absolutely will. That man.
You know what I just noticed though? I don't know if you remember when you got criticized for your flicking of the wrist. You don't have to do that with these. There you go. Now you did it right. I got you, comment section.
Wow.
I got you.
Everybody's throwing shade at me this weekend. Like, it doesn't matter who we go to. They're all throwing shade. And, you know, haters gonna hate.
I
But
love this guy.
we love you guys. We love you guys so much and love all the stuff that you're doing. I mean, you guys are just ramping up every time we see you, and you're killing it.
Stop.
You're killing it. And we appreciate you guys. Appreciate all that you do for the community
Thank you. Thank you.
and for our own enjoyment.
Hey, and don't forget, you can also get our knives at smkw.com.
That's right.
That's smkw.com.